Hi, my name is Bob, and in this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Aizen Power before you actually make the purchase of this product. And I also have some important alerts to give you. So pay close attention to what I have to tell you in this video. The first warning I have to give you is, beware of the link where you will buy this product, because today it is only marketed on the official website. And to help you, I left the link to the official website below, in the description of this video, and also in the comments of this video. Now I'll tell you all about Aizen Power and if it really works. Aizen Power is a totally natural dietary supplement focused on improving sexual life with the significant evolution of male erection. The formula of this product contains specific herbs and vitamins that provide healthy and constant erections. The correct use of Aizen Power provides increased blood flow in the penile region, which ensures a healthy, constant, and powerful erection. Transform your sex life forever with Aizen Power. The composition of Aizen Power is totally natural, without any stimulant or dangerous toxin. And more, it does not contain any addictive element in its formula. Aizen Power is safe and does not cause any side effects, having been duly approved by the FDA and developed under the strict GMP standards. I need to tell you that the correct way to use Aizen Power is by taking 2 capsules daily, with the manufacturer's recommendation to use it for at least 3 months. Most people already feel the effects of the formula in the first few days. But to achieve really satisfactory results, it takes at least 3 months of use. In addition to all this, Aizen Power has a 60-day guarantee. That is, if you do not like the result when making correct use of the product, just send an email to support that your money will be fully returned. That is, you can try Aizen Power without any risk. I hope I have helped you a lot. And if you have any questions, leave your comment below that I will be very happy to help you.